What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. I realized I never made a video on this car, so let me show you. Alright guys, so here you have it. Here's my 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. One of the coolest features with this car that I like personally is when I lock the car, these guys fold in. When I get close to it, they come out. But check that out. Boom. Boom. Another cool thing with the key fob, check this out. Lock, unlock. You have your trunk button, your panic button. You have the feature to make the car move up and back, and the remote start. So let's fire it up. And there it is. Let's do a quick walk around. So this is a 2022 Santa Fe Limited 2.5 turbo, as you can see right here. 2.5 turbo. Now I don't mind the car being dirty because I was just driving around and I figured I'd make a video because I've never made a video on this car. So here it is. Let's hop in real quick. So you can see in the door panel, you have your power seat, your memory seats for driver 1, driver 2. Lock, unlock, mirror buttons, power windows, and you have your child lock for the back. Here's the window sticker for the car. This car is a 43,130 MSRP. It is white, and the quartz white does cost a little bit more, so it's 400 bucks more for the paint, and it has some accessories on there as well. So but that's a window sticker for the car. For the price, best bang for your buck. Let me turn this off. There you go. So I just hit 1,000 miles in this car. Actually, I'm at 1192, and it's great. Check this out. If I put the turn signals on, I got that, I got that. Automatic headlights. So over here you can control the brightness for the dash, lane keep assist, you can open your trunk, traction control, your parking brake. And again, don't mind the car being dirty because I was just driving and I decided to make a video. Here's your power seats, lumbar support. What's cool about this one is you can actually extend the bottom of the seat. Look at that. Or you can push it back in. Let's take a look at the middle. So the middle has a few things here. This guy right here is a wireless charger. I just put my AirPods there, but it's a wireless charger. Cup holders. You got that one and this one down here. All buttons for the gear selector. So let's go through these guys. Let me hop in. So of course you got your radio with the Apple CarPlay. So that's pretty cool. This car does have the factory navigation. It's got the front camera, the side cameras, the bird's eye view. Let me show you that. So if I go to reverse, let me close the door. If I go to reverse, here's your backup camera. The cool thing I like with the Hyundai is when you turn the wheel, this turns with you too, so it's pretty nice. Your bird's eye view, different sides. Let me go to drive here. There's a front camera. And what's cool is if you turn the wheels, you can actually see the wheels turning with you. Really cool stuff. Alright, back to park. Now, being this is the Limited, it does have a lot more features than your regular Santa Fe. So for example, the map button will show you the map. If I click nav, it's got all your navigation options from the factory. So you can go to places, and at that point you can type in, you know, Best Buy, Target, you know, whatever. Point of interest categories, previous destinations, all cool stuff. Hyundai dealerships, click on that. It'll show you the nearest Hyundai store to you, to the furthest one going out. So pretty cool stuff. Then you have your favorites, your seek track, radio, media, setup. Under setup, there's a few different things you can do. Vehicle settings, sound settings, navigation settings. If you want to put the car in Korean, you can do that. Dual climate control, which is really cool. I control my temperature for this side, and the passenger can control their temperature. It's got the automatic temperature control also. Fan speeds, very simple. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, very simple to use. Your different drive modes: comfort, smart, snow, sport, and this is your all-wheel drive lock. This guy here, if you guys don't know, the new Santa Fe's, the Tucson's, most of the new Hyundais, when you come to a stop, the car will shut off on you, and when you let go to brake, the car will come back on. If you don't want that happening, you can just push this button down. That'll turn off that feature, and there is no way to turn it off forever. So that's that. It's meant to save you on gas. Auto hold is really cool. If you get to a light, the light's ready, you can push that down, let go of the brake, and the car's not going to go anywhere. Great feature. Heated steering wheel. Really cool. And then of course you get the ventilated seats and the heated seats for the driver and passenger, which is really cool stuff. What else we got here? This panoramic sunroof is really nice, guys. Check this out. So the cover opens up first, and there goes the roof. All right, it's a little chilly today, so let's close that. All right, so that was a brief overview of the front controls. Actually, you know what? I forgot to mention. You do have paddle shifters here. Unlimited. All your Bluetooth controls, voice commands. By the way, this car has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is really nice stuff also. Lane follow assist and smart cruise control. Really good features. They work together and really good stuff. If you guys don't know what that is, you gotta read about it because it's really cool stuff. All right, let's see what else. Let's go to the back. Here's the back. As you can see, the back has the cover for the shades for the sun. Same on that side. You get the heated seats with 2 levels. 1, 2, off. Cup holders in the back. Leather seats. You have your little cup holders in the middle here. I don't think I've ever used them before. Down here you do have some USB ports, and this is cool stuff too. You can actually plug in your laptop if you wanted to. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention also, this car has the Harman Kardon speakers. Look at that. Really cool stuff, just because it's a limited. Let's go to the trunk. Of course, you get the power liftgate, and here it is. It's a nice big roomy trunk. Got some stuff in here, don't mind that. You can fold the back seats down from there. You have your 12 volt there. Some more speakers back here. Oh, speaker. Little storage compartment here. Here's a cargo cover, your tire mobility kit, wheel locks, some accessories that came with the car. And if you guys don't know, back here you have some more storage. Look at this guy. Look at all that. All the storage area. So there you have it, guys. This is the 2022 Santa Fe. Continental wheels. Look at those beauties. Now, some of you may ask, how come I didn't go with the calligraphy? Well, I think I don't need the calligraphy because it just had cosmetics. And the one thing that the calligraphy has versus this one is the heads-up display, which I don't need. So, plus we don't have one coming in anyways. Now we do, but I bought this one already. So this is a nice Santa Fe. If you guys are interested, we do sell these at MSRP at my dealership. Along with all the other cars, including the N models and the Palisades and all those nice cars that people charge over a sticker with the market adjustment, which we don't do. We don't do any of that. So if you guys are local, or even if you're not local and you want to buy a Hyundai from me, reach out. Alright guys, I will see you at the next video. Oh, it's beeping because of the I have the key in my pocket. You know what, let me show you one more cool feature. Guys, what I'm going to do right now is something I trained my car to do. Check this out. Ready? Well, the remote start, you guys know the remote start is a feature with the Santa Fe. However, I'm going to walk my car just like this. Ready? And we're going for a walk. Look at that. And stop. You know what? I want to go back to the spot I started. So let's go back. Stop. So no guys, I did not train my car to do this. It's a feature that the Limited has, and it's this guy right here. Kind of hard to see, but all right guys, I'll see you at the next video. If you want me to go over any specific feature, wow, I can't talk, on this car or any other car, let me know. Otherwise, if I don't make another video before the end of the year, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that. All right guys, we'll see you at the next one. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.